All right, are you trying to add a network to your MetaMask wallet? If so, that's what we're going to be covering in this video. Welcome to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in DeFi, crypto, and other passive income ideas. If you like this content, please hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question. Love to hear from you. All right, so if you're like me, you're probably in a lot of different DeFi projects, a lot of crypto projects where you need to have multiple networks within your MetaMask wallet. When you get your MetaMask wallet, it really only gives you the default, which is the Ethereum network. So for today's video, we're going to be adding the Matic network to the video. So if I come over here, oops, hang on a second here. Sorry, I'm the world's worst at computers, and yet I love making money online where I have to use computers. So, all right, let me just quickly click this. There we go. Now you can see me. All right, so I came over to my MetaMask wallet, and as you can see, it just gives me the Ethereum right away. So if we look at the different networks, now I have the Binance, Smart Chain, I have Harmony One, Phantom, Avalanche. All of these I had to manually add. So if you need to add other networks besides Matic, you're basically going to do the same thing I'm doing now, only just make sure you look up the proper stuff for Matic. So what I did in terms of looking stuff up is, you just kind of go over to Google here. Network. I wanted to find an easy copy and paste thing. So I came down to this guide article that was written in Medium. And this kind of gives you a whole tutorial on what to do. But basically, this is what it's going to look like. I wanted to find where, here we go, right here. This is what you're looking for. Okay, so this is the information we're going to need, because when we go back to our MetaMask wallet, let me move myself. I'm always in the way. So we go to the network things, and then it's add network. Okay, it's going to bring us to this page here, and here's where we get to kind of copy and paste, right? So I go back over here, copy this. Paste. Chain ID 137, symbol Matic. I can remember those. This is the important one. Copy. Oh, that's actually not the important one. This is the important one. Hang on, but I can go out of order. Add that there. This one. This is the new RPC URL, which we need, new RPC URL right there, right? And then the chain ID was 137.7, and then the currency symbol is Matic. And we got that already. So we go save. And this Matic was successfully added. So as you can see, I actually have some Matic in my account here. That's the Matic, right? So look at this. Now I got Ethereum, Matic, Smart Chain, Harmony One, Phantom, Avalanche. We are looking good. So let me know what you guys think. That was pretty straightforward, pretty easy. If you guys wanted to do, again, like those other, any of these other ones, you're basically going to do the same thing. Get on Google, and you just need to find the stuff that you can copy and paste and add it to. If you're having trouble with any of them, let me know. Happy to help in any way I can. I want to keep this short, sweet. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.